Think finding a reliable used car for just $5,000 is impossible? Think again. There are still hidden gems out there. You just need to know where to look. The right car can give you great value, solid performance, and low maintenance costs without breaking the bank. So stick around as we reveal the best budget-friendly used cars that will keep you cruising for years. Number 10. Ford Fusion Hybrid. Ford Fusion hybrids of the 2010 vintage are rare gems. Owners love them so much, they just don't sell them, but why? This is one Ford that shatters all expectations. Despite Ford's mixed reliability history, this sedan stands as a rock-solid exception. Introduced in 2010, it runs on a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine paired with electric motors, delivering exceptional fuel economy and long-term durability. One owner even reported hitting 250,000 miles with minimal repairs, proof of its legendary endurance. With proper maintenance, these hybrids regularly surpass 200,000 miles, making them one of the most reliable used cars on the market. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. Parts and repairs are affordable and widely available, so you won't be stuck with insane repair bills. Inside, the spacious, ultra-comfortable cabin and massive trunk make it perfect for daily commutes or road trips. For around $5,000, you're getting a hybrid that delivers both reliability and fuel savings. Number 9. Mitsubishi Galant. Mitsubishi's 9th generation Galant made its mark in the North American market, earning a warm reception from buyers despite its unconventional design. Since its discontinuation in 2012, this midsize sedan has largely remained under the radar in the used car scene. Many people overlook it, but for around $5,000, it's a hidden gem for anyone seeking a dependable and budget-friendly ride. Under the hood, it packs a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that strikes a solid balance between power and fuel economy. Expect around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway, making it a practical daily driver. Paired with a durable 4-speed automatic transmission, the Galant delivers a smooth and effortless driving experience. While it may not have the same recognition as some rivals, it's built to go the distance, easily handling high mileage with proper care, all without breaking the bank on maintenance. Number 8. Honda Element. The Honda Element was a uniquely shaped and uniquely equipped vehicle, part crossover, part van, and part Honda genius. Few vehicles earned the level of love from owners that the Element did. The original Element from 2003 and 2004 earned high scores on Consumer Reports' reliability and owner satisfaction index. Powered by Honda's legendary K24 engine, this thing is a workhorse. The non-turbo 4-cylinder engine is not only bulletproof but also efficient, with parts readily available. Keeping this car running past the high mile mark is both painless and affordable. Inside, you get fold-up rear seats and waterproof washable flooring, perfect for pet owners, campers, and DIY movers alike. For $5,000, the Element is a practical, underrated choice that's ready for just about anything you can throw at it. Number 7. Pontiac Vibe. They stopped making them in 2010, but it's literally just a Toyota Matrix dressed up like a Pontiac, thanks to the partnership between GM and Toyota. Powering this car is a Toyota-built 1ZZFE, 1.8-liter, straight-four 16-valve engine, producing 126 horsepower on the base model. This engine is not only reliable, but also provides adequate acceleration and decent fuel economy. The 4-speed automatic transmission on the Vibe shifts smoothly to maintain speeds, and you can expect 28 miles per gallon on average. Maintenance and repairs are wallet-friendly since it's easy to fix, and parts are inexpensive and interchangeable with the Toyota Corolla. The best part? If you're on a tight budget, you can find 2005 to 2007 models for right around $5,000 and use them well over 200,000 miles. The Vibe is often cheaper due to the perception that it's a Pontiac, a brand that has been defunct for over a decade. Number 6. 2010 Mercury Milan Hybrid. Yes, the Mercury Milan Hybrid was simply a rebadged version of the Ford Fusion Hybrid, meaning they shared the same powertrain and mechanics, including the hybrid system, with only minor exterior design differences. But here's the advantage: many people overlook the Milan when searching for a used car, so if you know what you're looking for, you can score a great deal on this underrated hybrid. Number 5. Toyota Matrix. When people think of Toyota, their minds often go to reliable sedans and family-friendly SUVs. But there are plenty of more exciting cars that have made the brand legendary. This list is so long that some interesting models have managed to fly under the radar. One such car is the Toyota Matrix. Released in 2003, the Matrix came equipped with a 2ZZ-GE 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 180 horsepower on XRS trim, an impressive figure for a compact car in its class at that time. This engine was paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission, and featured Toyota's variable valve timing and lift intelligence, providing both power and efficiency. The Toyota Matrix is one of those rare finds that can handle high miles with ease, making it an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a reliable $5,000 used car. Number 4, 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3. The first generation Mazda 3, crafted in Japan to replace the Mazda Protege, is a compact car that quickly built a strong reputation. If you're looking for a reliable used car that's both fun to drive and easy to maintain, the 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3 with the 2.0-liter non-turbo engine is a hidden gem. This model is a true workhorse known for its longevity and minimal maintenance needs. With proper care, this engine can easily surpass 200,000 miles, proving it's built to last. Even if you pick up one with well over 100,000 miles, there's still a lot of life left in it. The lively 140 horsepower 4-cylinder engine delivers zippy performance for its class and remains impressively fuel efficient, managing around 27 miles per gallon in mixed driving with the automatic transmission. If you're in the market for a Mazda 3, it's best to skip the 2.3-liter turbo, which is known for its high oil consumption. The 2.0-liter is the smarter, more reliable choice for a solid $5,000 car. Number 3, Honda Accord 2.4. The 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord is a classic choice in the used car market, and for good reason. Known for being one of the most common and widely available used cars, it's a solid, reliable option that has earned high reliability rankings from Consumer Reports. Models with the 2.4-liter engine are powered by Honda's K-Series engine, which features a timing chain instead of a timing belt, meaning fewer maintenance headaches and more time on the road. The 5-speed automatic transmission on the Accord offers a driving experience that's both comfortable and responsive. For around $5,000, the 2006 to 2007 Accord is a dependable, sensible choice, whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a car to rack up the miles. Number 2, 2005 Toyota Corolla. It's no surprise that the 2005 Toyota Corolla takes the number 2 spot for reliable used cars. Known for its bulletproof reliability and minimal maintenance needs, the Corolla has long been a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. The compact sedan is simple, straightforward, and designed to last. A car that can easily go the distance with minimal care. Under the hood, the 2005 Corolla features a dependable 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine capable of delivering an impressive 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This engine is known for its fuel efficiency and longevity, often surpassing 250,000 miles without major issues. Paired with either a smooth 5-speed manual or a durable 4-speed automatic transmission, the Corolla provides a comfortable, efficient ride that's perfect for everyday driving. Number 1, Lexus ES. The 4th generation Lexus ES stands out as one of the most reliable used cars you can find for around $5,000. This luxury sedan combines comfort, refinement, and legendary Toyota reliability, making it a top pick for anyone seeking a dependable, high-quality vehicle at an affordable price. At this price, you'll likely find models with higher mileage, but that's no reason to shy away from the Lexus ES. This car is built to last, with many owners reporting it can easily reach 300,000 miles or more with proper care. Powered by a smooth and durable 3.3-liter V6 engine, the Lexus ES delivers solid performance with plenty of power for daily driving. Even with its luxurious features, it manages to stay relatively fuel efficient, offering around 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. What makes this Lexus ES even more attractive is its reputation for longevity. Built on Toyota's rock-solid platform, this car is not only luxurious but affordable to maintain, thanks to its shared parts with the Toyota Camry. And there you have it, our top picks for reliable used cars you can find for around $5,000.